Hey guys, welcome to the Baby Bee family. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your brand new ROVER3. It's super quick and easy, so let's get into it. To make sure that you don't void your free return policy, make sure that you really carefully unbox your pram, take out all of the contents and just put the protective packaging to the side. If you do have to undo any sticky tape or anything like that, just make sure you're really careful with it. Let's get your frame set up. So you'll need to pull back on these two release levers here. On my right side, there's a button on the top of this one. Press that button, pull the release levers back, and it will flick open into place. Over here, we've got our rear axle and brake. We just need to attach that onto the rear tubes of the frame. Give it a good push and make sure that the two silver pins are coming through the black plastic there. To attach our wheels, just insert the front wheel pin, give it a good tug to make sure that it's secure and not going to fall off. And if you ever need to take these off, it's just this button on the side. Super easy. The rear wheels, again, just insert the pin into that rear axle and give it a good tug. If you ever need to take those off, you've just got a little button here as well. Push that and it comes off as easy as that. Now your frame's all set up. To set up your bassinet, first make sure that the lining is fully removed. You've got two support rods here. You can use the straps to pull those into place. Now, if you can't get them to clip under those plastic clips there, you might just need to pull up the end of the clip and push it under. And that will give your bassinet its structure. Next, we zip the bassinet lining all the way around, and we can insert our mattress. Now don't forget the bassinet mattress cover is removable and machine washable. Just make sure that you do that on a delicate setting with delicate detergent. So next we'll attach our canopy. It's important that you put it on the right end of the bassinet. So the bassinet canopy goes at the end with the full panel of mesh ventilation. You just need to attach that zip all the way around, and once it's zipped on, you'll attach the plastic canopy connectors onto either side of the frame, and they'll go over those black plastic round guides right there. And then your bassinet cover. So we just zip that on. And lastly, I'll attach the belly bar and pull the canopy up, and we're good to go. To attach the bassinet to the frame, simply line it up with the connectors on your frame and you're good to go. Okay, so next we'll set up your seat. And it's easiest to do this when the seat is in the forward-facing position. We'll just untuck the footrest like that. We'll start with the canopy. So starting on the left-hand side when facing the pram, the canopy zips on. And once it's zipped on, you then attach these plastic connectors to the frame. And they will attach over the round plastic grooves. If you do need a little extra head height later on, you can always move these further up just to give you a little bit more room under the canopy. And to attach the seat liner, we'll just take off the harness covers. If you're going to be using the seat with a young bub, you'll start with the harness in the lowest position, and as they get older, you can move that up as they grow. So I'll start in the lowest position. Once your harness is done up, the last thing to do is to attach the belly bar. And if you've got the bassinet and seat bundle, this will be the same belly bar. You just have one that you use for the bassinet and then the seat. And that's all done. If you have any difficulties at all setting up your ROVER3, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Our customer care team are ready to help.